proportion. What is the proportion? Remember that? Matisse?
Proportion is when something on paper or map is smaller, but in real life it's actually bigger.
Really? Yeah, you think that? Okay, what about proportion? Yes. We're talking about proportion that is talking about two ratios as to the same value, right? Of course, Matisse is talking about that. It's talking about the direct proportion, right? Direct proportion. When something gets bigger and the other gets bigger, all right? So that is talking about direct proportion. But that is another way, yeah. We're talking about proportion that is talking about two ratios have the same value, right? Okay. Today we are going to your late. Quickly, sit. Not prepared. You're not prepared. Okay. Today we are going to talk about scale drawing. Yesterday we talked a little bit about that, right? Scale drawing. It's about on the what?
On the
Paper or on the map. Yes. Today we are going to use this to make a model scale. Not on the map, not on paper, but we will use the scale to make a model. But before we go this, we need to understand something very, very basic about that. Okay? So, and I will show you today's objectives. Please read it with me. Understand the concept of scale. Be able to find the on-map distance or actual distance. Okay, this is the objective one. Okay, objective 2.
Make a mental model
Using a given scale. Okay. Number 3.
Work with different groups.
Okay, you need to work with different groups. When you do the model, you need other materials, right? So you need to work with others. And after this class, I'm going to give you. I want you to do this one to self-assess, self-check if you achieve these objectives. All right? Yeah. So I'll give you this at the beginning, and please, you have a second looking at it. Okay, this is the self-assessment form. Okay. The self-assessment form. You don't need to tick anything there by now. You need to tick after this class. Okay, after this class. And you take it and write your name and give it back to me. Alright? Okay, this is the objectives. Because just now we mentioned about the scale drawing, it's about the proportion. So let's go take a few minutes to review proportion, right? Yeah, let's review solving proportion. Remember solving proportions?
Yes.
Yes. When talking about this, you think of what word? Ratio. And cross product. Yes, cross product. So when mentioned about solving proportions, maybe you need to use cross product, right? Remember cross product? As I will show you. So this is a ratio. This is a proportion. Okay? It means two ratios equals. Okay? So we can write this proportion in fraction form, right? Yes. And we know that cross product like this, right? Cross product. Okay. This is the cross product. So we have that. We have that 3 times 7 equals 2 times 2.5, right? So this means that, right? Cross product means this. Okay, so we will have a sentence for that. The cross product of any proportion are equal, right? They're equal. Yes. This is what we talked about before, all right? So I'll give you 1 minute to solve this. Find the value of m. Please take 1 minute to find out. Okay? Is that okay? Then is it easy? You find the answer? You find the answer? Did you find the answer? Okay, you find the answer? If you find the answer, raise your hand. Not yet. So what is it? M equal to sorry? 2.4. Any others? Others? 3.665. Is that all? Let's do it. Yeah, any?
5.4.
5.4? Okay, let's calculate. This can be written as a fraction, right? 1.2 over 1.5. Is that right? Yes? Okay, let's go. This is m2 m over 3, right? Okay? Cross product. Okay? So we'll get 1.5 m equals to what?
1.2 times 3.
1.2 times 3. Okay? Let's see. Go. So m will equal to 3.6 times divided by 1.5, right? Yeah? Can you divide it? M equals to what? It's 2.4, right? It's 2.4. Sorry, it's 2.4. Yes, it should be m equals 2.4. So use this method to find m, right? Okay? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the proportion. We just take a few minutes to review this. Make sure you understand how to find the unknown value. Okay, unknown value. So these proportions, and today we are going to talk about the use of proportion and its scale. Right? It's about the scale. The scale. I'm going to show you a map. I'm going to show you a map like this. Take a look at the map. This is part of the map. Okay. This is something on the map. It tells you. Can you find the scale? Guess which part is the scale?
0, 100, 200, 300.
You mean down here?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think so?
Yes.
Yes. This is the scale. Okay. Scale can be written as this on map, but sometimes they don't write this. They don't write it like this. They might be write it as this one, 1 cm to 20 km, and sometimes it with no units. It just write 1 to 500,000, like this. Look at this. This is cm. This is km. They don't have the same unit, right? But this one with no unit.
It's the same unit.
Correct. Correct. So it means that 1 unit to 5,000 units in the same unit. Okay? When in the same unit, they can ignore the units. Yes, good. So always on the map, the first term is usually is 1. 1 to what? 1 to 1. Is that okay? Yeah? So, and tell me, what does 1 mean?
One.
Yes.
Oh, in a map of 1 cm.
On the map 1 cm, right? What about this one?
In the earth.
In the real life.
Real life. In real life, it means 5,000 units, right? For example, 1 cm, it may be in real life, that's 5,000 cm. So 500,000 cm, you can change to m, and you can change to km, right? Yep, that's it. So this is a scale. Okay. Since this one, the first one, just Ravi said, it's on the map, right? On the map. This in the real life. So we give scale a definition. 我们给它一个定义. A definition is, okay, this map shows that, yeah, like this map. Map of China, it shows that 1, 2, 48 million,
Centimeter.
I don't know, maybe 1 unit. Yeah, maybe 1 unit.
60 kilometers.
No, if this one is talking about cm, this one also cm. So you can change cm to km, right? Yeah. Okay. So this concept of scale should be guess what? What is scale? A scale means on map unit, on map distance to actual distance. So we'll keep that a definition like this. So scale will always be on map distance to actual distance. For example, on map 1 cm, it stands for in real life that is 500,000 cm. Okay? So you clear about this? Okay. Let me write it down here. Because we can look at it any time during this class when we do make the model. All right? So scale will equal to on map distance to, okay. Can I write this one? On map distance to actual distance.
Yes.
Can I write it in fraction form?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay. Scale equals to actual distance. Actual distance. All right. This is the actual distance. So this is the form of scale. Please guess. Are these scales the same? Please check it. The first one, 1 to 50. The second one, 50 to 1.
No.
Are they the same?
No.
What do they mean?
The first one is 1 cm to 50 cm. 1 cm on the
1
map.
cm is talking about 1 cm what?
On the map.
On the map. What about this one?
In real life.
50 cm in real life, right? Okay, what about this one?
In the map.
That means 15 cm on the map equals 1 cm into real life.
Yeah.
So the
And-
map is bigger.
And what do you think? This one on the map is bigger than the real life, or the real life is bigger than the on the map? Which one? Which one shows that?
Real life.
Map is smaller. Real life is bigger. Which one?
The first one.
The first one. What about the second one?
The
The
map
map
is
is
bigger.
bigger.
On the map is bigger, right? Okay. That is it.
And
Yeah.
52.
So you all understand it. Yeah, you understand it, right? Okay. So let me give you an example. And this example you can write on this worksheet. Okay. And the questions is corresponding, so don't worry. So you can look at example. You can look at example and try to find out. So my first question is example. You can look at example. My background is a rectangle shape. So its actual length is 4.5 m in my background. Okay. Actual width is 3 m. I draw it on map in scale with length of 4.5 cm with 3 cm. Can you find the scale of my drawing, Matisse?
It would be on the map. It would be 1.5 centimeters equals 1 meter.
Okay, so your scale is
No,
My
no,
scale.
I think 1 centimeter on the map equals 1.5 centimeters is
So
the meter.
you mean 1 to 1.5. So 1 cm
to 1 meter, 1.5 meter.
m, right? Oh, you mean this one? Yes. What the other thing? Let me write it. Okay. 1 cm to 1.5 m. What do you think?
In the map, 1 cm equal real 100 cm.
100 cm. It means that, or you say like this scale equal 1 to 100.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah? 1 cm to 100 cm, right? Okay? But which one is correct? Can you explain? Which one is correct? Yeah?
Because on the real life, the length is 4.5 m, and on the map is 4.5 cm, so it's 100 times, and the width is the same too.
Ah, so you look at the length, right? The length and the length, right? And
then
the width, 3 to the width, right? So, since the scale is on map distance to actual distance, right? So we can write it as, so the scale might be on distance, on map that is, for example, 4.5 cm. What about the real actual distance? 4.5 m, right? Okay? Yeah, we can simplify this. That should be both divided by 4.5. Is that okay? Yeah? That should be 4.5, 1 cm to 1 m. Is that right? Yeah? So Matisse, maybe, did you look at the 3 and 4.5? Oh.
Yeah, I just mistaked the.
I know. So you're clear about that, right? Okay. So should be the corresponding length. Okay, corresponding length. So that should be this one. Can be written as 1 cm to 1 m. Yeah, that's correct. Or written as 1 cm to 100 cm. Yeah. So both this is correct or this is correct. Okay?
Oh.
Both. Yes, both. Right. So you know that? Okay, let's do the next question. Next question. Please look at the next question. Find the actual distance. Please read it. All together, read it. Lisa draw a map in scale of 1 cm to 80 m. On her map, the distance from location A to location B is 3 cm. What is the actual distance? How do you find that? Yes,
You would do
Matisse?
80 times. You would do 80 times 3.
80 times 3. So equals to
240
240
centimeters.
centimeter. Is it centimeter? Please read it.
No, meter. Sorry.
Meter.
Because, yeah.
Yes. Is it meter? Okay. Yes. Can you write it in proportion? Can you write it in proportion? You know, how do you write in proportion? How do you write in proportion? Okay, in proportion should be, there's a letter, right? So, use what letter to stand for what?
A to stand from
Use A to stand for what?
her location.
Actual distance. Is that okay? Yeah, stand for actual distance. If we use A stand for actual distance, what can we write next? Should be 3 cm to A. 3 means what?
Location B.
Huh?
A to B on the map.
On the map, right? A to B on the map. What about A?
It's real life.
Real life. Okay, so this is a scale, right? This is a scale. Should be equal to what? Should be equal to what? Equal to what?
1 to
1 cm to 80m. Is that okay?
Yes.
Can we write like this? So that is a proportion, right? A proportion. We can solve it. We can solve it. A will be equal to 240. The same. Is 80 times 3. Yes. Okay with this? Yeah? Alright? Okay. If you're okay with this, let's go to next question. Let's go to the next question. Please read this. Please read it. Read that. Fang Ning is going to draw a map. He's drawing a map, yes, of his community. His building is actual 950 m away from his school. He wants to use a scale of 1 cm to 100 m to draw the map. Find the distance between his building and the school on the map. Can you use a proportion to solve that? Can we use a proportion to solve? So the first, let's find. Can we use D for on map distance? Yes? Yes. Okay. Let's use D. Stands for on map distance. What can we write? The proportion. What can we write the proportion?
1.
Okay, try. Don't.
1 to D.
1 to D. 1 to D. Why 1 to D?
Oh wait, that's map.
Yeah, D stands for on map, right?
It's D to
D is on map. On map to real life, right? So on map to real life. Real life what?
100.
Why 100?
Because
This is the scale.
yeah, this is
This scale should be equal to 1 to 100 m, right? Should be equal to this one. So D to what? D to school. Right school here?
950.
Should be 950 m, right? Because his school and his building is 900 m away, right? Apart. So this D to this one. So can you find D?
9.5
9.5 is
centimeters.
cm, right? Okay, is that easy?
Yes.
Yeah, you should look at it. Okay, you should look at it because the map, the scale is 1 to 100 m. So the on map is D, and the actual distance should be 915, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay? Right. Okay. So far, we understand how to find the on-map length and the actual length, and now it's time to use that. I'll let you do some activity to experience what to find that, to use the scale to do that. So please work with your group. Still remember your learning group? Okay. So you three, team 1, right? You three, team 2, right? So you team 3, right? Team 1?
Yes.
Oh. So you team 1, team 2, team 3. What about you? Team 4. So you team 5, right? Oh, okay. Each team, I will give you 3 sticks. 3 sticks. Each team, I will give you 3 sticks.
It's the job.
Yes.
We're in the same group.
Oh, you're in the same. So, let me show you what you need to do. Let me show you. Okay. So, I'll give you a scale, and you need to do a model. The model is looking like this. Okay. So, I'll give the dimension of a pyramid. Okay. Use the scale of 1 cm to 1 dm. Think about it. 1 cm means on map, on here. Okay? 1 dm means what? On the stick. Okay. On the stick. Alright? On the stick. So, this one. Okay? Make a pyramid like this. Please look at it. You have 3 sticks, and let me explain more about that. So clues and materials you will need. So you have 3 sticks. Please, before you cut the stick, you need to calculate what the length of stick. Okay? So you need to mark it and then come to teacher. I will give you a knife to cut it. I'll show you how to cut it. Okay? So you will need a knife. And maybe you need glue. Use glue to stick the parts. Okay? Let me show you. And the glue, please take two parts and rub it into a bowl. And maybe you can stick it like this, for example, stick it, okay? Connect them, is that okay? Yeah? Connect them. But the length of the sticks, you need to calculate, okay? You need to calculate. So, let me show you how to cut it. I'll give you the knife. And please look at here. If you calculate the length of the stick like this, for example, or this one, for example, this length, and use pencil to mark it here, and then use this one to put it on. So each圈, don't need to cut it off in hand. That's fine. Is that okay? You know how to do that? Alright. If you don't know how to do that, come to me, I'll show you. Okay? So, knife will be later. If you calculate and mark it, please come to me. Okay? If you okay with that, okay, if you need ruler, just quickly come here. Be careful with the knife.
1.5 就等于10PM。
I will give you the sticker.
大概有3个14。30，老师这个多少厘米啊？
If you don't get the ruler, do you have a ruler? You need to measure.
看个屏幕。下面是3个3五。
这有3条1.5，我有
完了，你比坏了。
Please save it. Please save it. You will do another one.
还有那个用这个的话。
Okay? Yeah? You know how to do that? You know how to do that? Come here. I'll show you how to do that. You can come here together. Okay. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful with the knife. Be careful with the knife. 知道怎么讲？你们现在做好吗 ？Alright. So you're not it, right? Let me show you how to cut it. Let me show you how to cut it. Not yet. You're not yet. Okay. So you still have 5 minutes to finish that. 怎么做 ？No. Let me show you. Please So you know how to do that, huh?
就是在量体重的。
什么单位？ 大我 PM
我切的。
把我打了，这个粉笔它就15，打了，这个刚好75，这个刚好15，我这个没刚好，我这13，我这刚好14跟15一样，没有，我这个刚好14跟15应该刚好，你看，那你自己看你对 ，OK。
Careful.
哎，好聒噪，不是，没这回事。谁的？
So, I think you have you need 3 to 4 minutes.
你跟那个15的吗？说一个吧。
还没到，还没好。
If you have difficulty with cutting the stick, I'll help you. Come on. So cut here. Okay.
尼玛撕出来。
So this one and this one. Which one?
完了，我刚标的食物是哪里？好像我现在在这里，所以为什么我的比你高啊
This one? Oh, this one? So quickly.
别玩你的蓝胶啊！
So you finish them? So you finish? You will finish? If you finish, put your work here to show us. Okay? If you finish. Oh, this team didn't move faster. So, what team? What team? Team 5. So, team 5.
太细了，切不好的，1毫米2毫米的，动不了。
Which team is the second?
你先不要沾这个球呢，你把它粘进去。老师都是不要浪费了，不要那样子。哪个没用的？这两个没用的。这两个晚上没有4个。这两个，因为它有多个没有。
你等一下还要做完这个蓝胶好了。
啊，你们还没做完吗？
你还做就是这个蓝胶。对，就是这个。你自己抠，我说快点去。
You done?
你还在那里玩手机？光你
5分钟做。
这一点够吗？你口太小了，你说后面。
So you can pick 2 and rub it as a ball.
好想做一个1厘米的萌豆。
So you done, right? And
你们练不到，
wow. See? Yeah.
不是他的。
Okay.
你还说就2个1厘米。
And if you finish this, I need you to ear check your motor.
你看他们那个绝了，真是。
Wait.
还这样。
就不是。
这样。
Alright. If you finish, please come to the group next to you, the team next to you. I need you to ear check to see your actual length is correct. So you need to check. You need to check the other group if their actual length is correct.
我都讲好几遍了。
这个地方有点
有警察。
他在检查的小。
So very good. So please go to other group to check their actual length is correct. So please go to that group to check.
完了，不管都很多。
Let's go back to that one to see the data. This is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. This is 1.5, 1.5. You can So go to the Wait. So I can see that. If you finish, tell me your team number. Team 2. What about team 4? Team 4 still fixed it, right? Okay. What about team 3? Team 3 already? Okay. So since you team 1, 2, 5, please. 1, 2, 5. Team 1, 2, 5. If you finish, do peer check to see if your actual length are the same. Okay? Alright. So maybe we can finish. We can share about when you do this, what you meet difficulties and your thoughts next time. Okay? Right. Please give me your work and the rest sticks. Please. Could you work there? Could you work there? Could you work there? And the rest stick also put them there. Good. Could you work there? And the rest stick. No, we will use it next time. Could you work the rest stick? So thank you everyone. Today I will not give you any more. So the rest stick to you. No, don't close me. And the knife, please give it to me. And the knife. And the ruler you work. You can finish the no, please, with your work. Okay. Put all your work here and